Hey, I'm Dr. Tom Miller, and I want to share a quick strategy about how to be a pro at gratitude. Now, showing gratitude is a win-win, and Harvard research shows that just thinking thoughts of gratitude makes you measurably happier, regardless of whether you actually act on them or not. So every single day, setting time to think or write thoughts to yourself about the gratitude you feel has a positive effects, not on your life, right, but also the relationships that you have. But if you go out there and you share your thoughts through notes and letters and posts about gratitude, then that feeling really becomes contagious. So, recently I saw this great post from a colleague. His name's Jerry, about a gratitude journal. So it could be simple, right? You just grab one of these nice, either 99 cent, 1 inch ruled, and maybe you get one for every single teacher in your school, right? You write their name on it, and it's an opportunity for someone to go into their gratitude journal and just write a nice note about them, right? Every single day they can go in, and if you take the time, you'd have amazing set of notes. And one thing we just did at the school I'm in charge of right now is we've got one that's got our logo on it, and there's a note that says, hey, you have been identified, right? Someone has written a nice note about you. So they go to their last, to the page in a book, the last one written, and they read the note about them from one of their peers, one of their colleagues, that, wrote. And so then it's their turn within 24 hours. It's then now they take the journal and they pick someone else in the school and they write a note about them. And so every single day, maybe multiple times a day, you have this, journal being a pass from teacher mailbox to teacher mailbox, right? A lot better than the normal memos, that they get, no offense, principals, but I'd much rather have a gratitude journal in my book. So one really easy to use resource, go grab a notebook, right? Doesn't matter the size or the cost or whatever you want. Print out something, right? Give them some expectations. Say, hey, write a note to someone that you want to express gratitude for, right? Maybe you write the first note in there, put it in their mailbox, and make sure within 24 hours that they take that, read it, soak it in, and write a note to someone else. And I'm asking ours to write the name of the person on the inside, so then someone can actually look to say, hey, who's had a note to themselves, or who's already received one, so we can make sure that everybody gets a turn. Because here's what's actually going to happen. Folks are going to be nosy, and they're going to go back and they're going to want to read all of the other messages. So not only are they having gratitude expressed to them, but they're also reading about all their colleagues and their peers, and it's just going to create a good morale building opportunity. So it doesn't cost much, just a couple dollars and time, but it's one great resource, one great strategy for you to be able to be a pro at gratitude. I'm Dr. Tom Miller, and listen, if you like the strategies that we use to build relationships, because gratitude building, I highly recommend you check out our School Leadership Made Real Simple program. I'll put the link right here, but every single day, relationships are the key to the overall effectiveness of your ability to lead and your people to grow together, to really take that next step, right? So this gratitude journal is one of the strategies that we talk about in our School Leadership Made Real Simple program. So highly recommend that if you're looking for a professional development program that's going to not only equip the leaders around you, but help everybody have a launching point to their leadership capacity, go to schoolleadershipmaderealsimple.com. Bye-bye.